Hello guys, this is Kenneth with another video. Hope you're like great and good and hope you're doing well. So first of all, I wanna wish you guys a happy new year because I've been off for more than a month, and I stopped trading like somewhere around the beginning of last year, December, and I've only been back this week Monday. So yesterday pretty much. So that's why I've been off, but I'm back now and we're gonna be doing this. So we're gonna be going into a market analysis video on audience right now, and yeah, we're gonna take it from there, and I'll give out other market analysis videos to show you guys what I'm looking at and all that. So let's start with audience. Okay, yeah guys, right now I'm on a monthly time frame, and what I'm seeing is this: we were in a big correction here, a monthly correction that, price just broke to the downside. So what I'm seeing is price going back into the resistance that was created here, which initially in this case was support, now resistance. We are there to retest, potentially go back to the downside, and if that becomes a fail, obviously we'll be looking for a break and for price to come back into this correction over here. All right, so yeah, the monthly time frame is showing me that since we broke below this lows here, we are now, bearish, because we've created a new structure low and we are now potentially creating a lower high for more pushes to the downside. Okay, another thing also you need to consider is that this can potentially be, one nice double bottom formation that can still lead us to the upside. Okay, so there are a couple of scenarios that we want to pay attention to, like this one. The opposite is this can be a double bottom formation that might lead us to the upside, but overall the trend is bearish and we want to keep the trend. Okay, we want to be in line with the trend. All right, so let's go to the weekly time frame. What do we see? As you can see, as I said guys, we are in a downtrend. We pushed up, came down, pushed up, came down, pushed up, created a head and shoulders for pushes, and we got more pushes to the downside, breaking below areas of structure. We created a new lower low. We are now creating this lower high to push us back down. So what we are retesting in this case is basically this zone over here, right? So as you can see, there's a retest of resistance, and if you go down to the lower time frames, what you'll need to do is look for some kind of reversal pattern that can lead you back to the downside. All right, so let's go to the daily time frame. What I'm seeing on the daily is that initially, as you can see, price came to that level with an intention of touching it, but we would never really successfully touch that level, and then we saw a drop. Then now price is coming back to go above the early sellers that came in, and now it's coming into the supply zone. Not only coming into the supply zone, but it's more of, price trying to fill the contracts that were created initially around here. And once that's done, obviously the market will want to go back to the downside. And another interesting thing here is that if you take your Fibonacci level, you can clearly see that we are also in a golden zone. There's a supply level, there's a golden zone there, there's a resistance level passing through those two levels or zones, and now we were, and in a way we have a confirmation, in a way we have an idea, sort of like, our initial confirmation that is strengthening the idea that this can just be, a chance, this can just lead to another drop in this market. Okay, so we have a couple of things that are showing us that the market might potentially be looking to go down, and that's what we need to look for on the intraday charts. We need to look for some kind of reversal candlestick formations that can allow us to push down the price, or look for, a change trend in the intraday charts that can allow you to, get into this market and push down with price. Okay, and if that does become a fail, what you're gonna look for, since well we are above, a little bit above this high here, you look for price to break above, which in turn will make this a proper W formation, and then from there you look for the retest of the neckline for more continuations to the upside. In this case, this will be a confirmed uptrend. Once there's a break, we're gonna get this is a confirmed uptrend, and this will be a retest of this neckline over here for more pushes to the upside. But as long as the market has not broken the resistance that we are in, this can, price can potentially push back to the downside, and that's where we want to be, because the overall trend, is still bearish, right? The overall trend is still bearish, and we want to be in line with the trend. And I'm just going to draw in the last zone here that we have on the daily, which we are now touching. Okay, this is the zone, guys. So let's wait and see if the market will be dropping from these areas. That's all there is, guys. For me right now on this pair, I'm looking for selling opportunities, and I'm going to be paying more attention to it. If that becomes a fail, I'm going to be looking for buying opportunities. With that said, thank you for watching my video, and see you on the next video.